If you want to turn on or off emoji suggestions on POCO X7 Pro, you need to go to the settings, scroll all the way down, and then choose additional settings. Here you can go to languages and input, then choose manage keyboards, and now you want to select your keyboard, and by default it is Gboard, so go to that. Now over here you need to go to emojis, stickers, and GIFs. In order to turn off or on suggestions, emoji suggestions, you need to find suggestions while typing, and then you have emojis over here. You can turn it off. In addition to that, you can also disable stickers below, and then you also have Emoji Kitchen, which suggests stickers when you select emojis in the emoji keyboard. If you don't want that as well, then you can turn it off too. Besides that, we also have predictive content search, as well as the button that allows you to add multiple emojis. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!